Have you ever wished for glowing, healthy skin without spending a fortune on products? Then this video is for you. A proper lifestyle and skincare routine can improve your skin in a week, but to keep it glowing and healthy for the long term, you need to follow these tips regularly. And watch to the end because I'll be sharing some lifestyle changes to get your skin glowing from within and also quick makeup fix for instant glow. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to know your skin type. Unless you know your skin type, you cannot pick the right skincare and makeup products that suits you. Let's figure out your skin type. If you have dry skin, your skin feels tight, flaky, and parched. If you have oily skin, your T-zone is greasy and shiny. While for combination skin, your T-zone is greasy, but your cheeks and jaw are dry. If you have normal skin, your skin is neither too oily nor excessively dry. And for sensitive skin, your skin is easily inflamed, itchy, and prone to redness. Now that you know your skin type, let's move to skincare. Start by washing your hands. This is very simple yet very effective. Washing your hands before your skincare routine helps to avoid getting germs on your skin. Now that your hands are clean, start your skincare by cleansing your face with a cleanser, then rinse off and pat dry with a disposable towel. Using a disposable towel prevents bacterial transfer and keeps your skin clean. Once your skin is clean, steam your face, and this should be a once or twice a week indulgence. Steaming helps to open up your pores, remove impurities, and soften the dead skin cells, making exfoliation more effective and less irritating to your skin. After steaming, follow up with exfoliation to remove dead skin cells. You can either use a physical exfoliating scrub or chemical exfoliators. Be gentle when exfoliating after steaming as your skin is more sensitive. Once you're done exfoliating, go in with a peeling mask to further unclog your pores. Choose peeling masks that contain natural fruit enzymes such as pineapple or papaya. You may also try peeling masks with low levels of glycolic acid. This peeling mask should be a once a week indulgence. It is the best skincare routine for glowing skin. Quick tip: use banana peels as a DIY mask. Rub the inside of a banana peel on your face for 2 minutes and let it sit in for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Use this 2 or 3 times in a week to keep your skin soft and bright. Peeling masks are also a quick fix for a radiant look when you're in a hurry. After these steps, your skin is fully prepped for the rest of your skincare products to marinate well on your skin. Follow up with a toner, and pro tip: instead of a cotton pad, use your hands to apply toner to prevent shedding and clogging your pores. After toning, go in with your moisturizer or serum. Opt for moisturizers or serum that offer multiple benefits like anti-aging and brightening. Retinoids are excellent for reducing wrinkles and improving skin texture. Always do a patch test on your neck or hand before using retinoid products to avoid skin irritation. And lastly, sunscreen. This is very essential in your skincare routine. Using sunscreen is one of the best home remedies for beautiful skin. Protecting your skin from UV rays is very important, so you should never forget to apply sunscreen before heading out. Use one with at least SPF 30 and PA+, as it protects you from both UVA and UVB rays. Reapply every 2 hours while outdoors, and don't forget to cover exposed areas like your neck and hand. If you follow these steps in this order, you already see the instant glow in your skin. Skincare is just one part of the equation. What you eat and how you live also play a major role in your skin's health. You need to monitor your lifestyle habits because your skin cannot look good on the outside if it doesn't feel good from within. 1. Drink plenty of water. Starting with the easiest lifestyle change, keep track of the amount of water you are drinking every day. Drinking at least 2 liters of water daily has been found to hydrate your skin and significantly improve its overall health and appearance. You may squeeze a lemon or add some fruit slices to your water to make it easier to drink. 2. Sweat it out. Exercise boosts blood circulation, delivering oxygen to your skin for a natural glow. Work out twice or thrice a week. You can try activities like yoga, cardio, or even walking to maintain your skin health. The extra glow your face gets post-sweating is unparalleled and brilliant. 3. Cut down on sugar and processed foods. Cookies, Candies and cupcakes may sound tempting, but it is better to resist processed foods if you want to keep your body and skin healthy. Consuming food with high glycemic index like white bread, rice, and sugar accelerate aging and skin inflammation. A great option is to add low glycemic index foods such as fruits and vegetables to your diet and cut your sugar intake for better skin health. 4. Eat all colors. Incorporate colorful fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals into your meals to maintain skin hydration and health. Skincare and lifestyle change is the easiest way to get glowing skin naturally on the long run if you follow them religiously. And if you want a quick pick-me-up, makeup can help you. You do not need many makeup products to make your face glow. What you need are the right makeup products and techniques to achieve that glow. 1. Liquid foundation. A good foundation can cover up all the blemishes and spots on your face in no time. Use a liquid foundation with high moisture content for a dewy light reflecting finish. 2. Highlighter or strobe cream. Mix 1 drop of liquid highlighter or strobe cream into your foundation for a radiant glow. Apply it on your cheekbones and brow bones for a lit from within look. 3. Face oil. Add a drop of face oil to your foundation or apply it directly before applying makeup for a fresh, glowing effect. 4. Illuminating primer. Use an illuminating primer under your foundation for an effortlessly radiant base. 5. Bronzer. A sheer peachy bronzer adds warmth and shimmer to your face. Apply along your cheekbones, nose, and hairline for a sun-kissed look. There you have it. Achieving clear and glowing skin is not impossible and doesn't have to cost a fortune. All you need is consistency and good product. And if you follow these tips regularly, you'd notice long-lasting results. Let me know in the comment which of these tips you'll be incorporating in your skincare routine. Don't forget to like and also subscribe for more skincare tips. See you in the next video.